Hello guys, are you looking for a camera doorbell with monitor? In this video I will show you top 5 best camera doorbell with 7-inch monitor. See this video and choose your favorite. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links and the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Mountainone Visual Intercom Doorbell. Brand name, Mountainone. Aluminum alloy panel of indoor unit, fashionable and luxury. Little rain and oxidation proof for the durable aluminum alloy outdoor unit. 7 inches color TFT LCD without radiation, low power consumption and high definition. IR Cut 1000 TVL IR camera with night vision. Electric lock control function. Hands-free intercom. Mute indoor intercom function. Monitoring the outside of the door. 16 kinds of doorbell rings. Volume, brightness and contrast adjustable. Easy installation by yourself with adapter and cable we provide in this kit. Number 4. Jeatone Video Door Intercom. Brand name, Jeatone. 7. TFT display, acrylic wire drawing panel touch button, with storage room-to-room intercom door answering, monitoring and unlocking adjustable color, brightness and volume built-in memory can save 86 pictures, support external max. 0.32 GB SD card 12 ringtone for choice, new firmware with motion detection, but with 6 ringtone easy to install and DIY installation rust-proof aluminium alloy anti-vandal panel IP65 weatherproof. Number 3. HomeFong Video Doorbell. Brand name, HomeFong. 7-inch monitor 1200 TVL doorbell camera 32 GB memory card video intercom kit motion sensor detect record videos dual-way intercom, call transfer among monitors monitoring outside without pressing doorbell call button color, brightness, ringtone and volume adjustable support analog camera connected, electronic lock connected support images, videos playback, support external maximum 32 GB memory card doorbell camera, CCTV camera preview IR night vision. The intercoms will automatically turn off the screen after stopping the operation for 1 minute to save electricity. Number 2. Maotewang Intercom Doorbell. Brand name, Maotewang. 7 inches color TFT LCD with sensitivity touch panel. No radiation, low power consumption. Infrared LEDs for night vision, more convenient. Rainproof cover design, antioxidative outdoor unit with piano bakes lacquer panel. 25 kinds of rings for selection. Piano bakes lacquer panel design on indoor unit, more fashionable and luxury. Hands-free intercom, 1 button touch makes perfect experience. Support maximum 1 outdoor unit with 4 indoor units. Support 2000 ID cards unlock, passwords unlock, remote controls unlock. Embedded IR cut filter provides enhanced picture and color quality. Number 1. Tmezon Smart IP Video Door. Brand name, Tmezon Tmezon Smart and innovative IP video intercom system 7-inch LCD monitor and mini doorbell, 7-inch TFT display monitor with slim design, touch key operation, hand-free, support Wi-Fi, RJ45 port connect to internet only connect to 2.4 GHz router band. Outdoor doorbell with waterproof cover, built-in infrared sensor and 1200 TVL camera, 100, wide view angle, night vision, rainproof, dustproof, and anti-vandal. It can connect all the electronic lock. Multiple doorbell, up to 2 doorbells ringtone, 16 ringtones optional. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future, and if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.